Now before we do reverse neck stole, I want you guys to know that there are two variations that I'm going to teach today. One is the inside variation and the second is the outside catch variation. We are first going to be learning the inside catch variation. Once you do the breakaway, you're going to grab the string like this and you're going to hop the yo-yo up. Make sure when you're hopping the yo-yo up, you hop it directly onto your face. Anywhere on your face here, it doesn't matter where, it's just one personal preference. You don't want to hop it over your head or under your chin. Next, you're gonna grab the yo-yo and you're gonna put it under your chin like this. Then next, you're gonna bend your neck forward and then you're gonna look down with your head. Then the next thing you're gonna do with your throw hand is that you're gonna whip the string over your neck. As you can see, there's a lot of slack that went over my neck. That slack is gonna go into the gap of the yo-yo. Now on your throw hand, there should be a string coming over your finger. You want the yo-yo to go over that string, and then the slack that you whip around your neck is gonna go into the gap of the yo-yo. And that is basically how reverse neck stole works. Since we now know how this trick works, let's start doing it from the actual whip. Now before you do the whip, I want you to know the positioning of your throw hand. So as you would for a reverse Brent Stole, it's easier to land the reverse Brent Stole if your throw hand is completely straight like that. Straight like this, because there's more space. Because the string is out of the way, so that the string that you whip around is going to go into the gap of the yo-yo much more easier. So as you're whipping, make sure that your throw hand is straight. Not easier, just like that. Make sure that when you're attempting the whip, that you whip the yo-yo directly in front of you or on your throw hand side. If you whip it onto your non-throw hand side, it's going to be a lot harder to do the trick. The yo-yo directly in front of you or a bit to your throw hand side is okay. And that's how you do neck stole. Now when you're doing the trick, you want your throw hand to be closer towards your body rather than farther out. Make sure that it's just close enough to you, because if it's too far out, you have less string that's whipping over your neck. The more closer it is, the more string that whips around your neck, and that greatly increases your chance of landing reverse neck stole. Another tip that I can give is that you should whip the string more to the bottom of your neck rather than the top. We are now going to learn the outside catch variation. Keep in mind that the outside catch variation is a much harder version of the reverse neck stole. There's no need to overcomplicate this trick because you're literally just landing a reverse neck stole, then putting your hand behind the yo-yo. When you're doing the outside catch variation, it would really help if you tilt your body more towards where the yo-yo is landing. Since you're basically tilting your elbow instead of your body bending towards more of the yo-yo should really help land the trick. Here it is in another angle. Again, tilting your body more towards your throw hand side or where the yo-yo is landing can really help greatly increase the chances of you landing this trick. Before you land into the outside reverse neck stole, you're gonna want to tilt your arm inwards like this, and you should hop the yo-yo more on your throw hand side rather than straight in the middle. Another tip that I can give is that when you're landing this trick, make sure that the string coming from your throw hand is completely straight and that it's not going side to side. So once you land reverse neck stole, this string coming from your non-throw hand side, you're gonna grab that and you're gonna lift the yo-yo up over the string coming from your throw hand, and you should be out of the mount. Now from here, you can do a trapeze, get the string out of your neck, and you should be done with the trick. That is reverse neck stole.